Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with new video. Dear friends and dear viewers, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. I am also fine, alhamdulillah, thanks for my Allah. In this video I will show you very beautiful and very trendy hair styling ideas. Short hairstyles redefine beauty and confidence. A good haircut changes everything. Chic, modern and stylish short hair has it all. Every shortcut tells a style story. Short hairstyle combine comfort with confidence. A trendy short haircut instantly upgrades your style. Beauticians throw simple hairstyle. Shortcut brings a fresh fashion perspective. Sharp edges create a stunning hairstyle. Short hair means less effort and more style. A modern woman shines with a stylish shortcuts. Short hair means less effort and more style. If you want to watch get more ideas, so visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. If you like this style, like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. A modern woman shines with a stylish shortcut. Short hairstyles are perfect for a confident look. Bold cuts reveal natural beauty. A neat short style always look polished. Short hair brings effortless elegance. Smart cuts create timeless beauty. Every short haircut has its own personality. Short hairstyles give a bold fashion statement, light, fresh, and easy to maintain. A stylish shortcut defines modern beauty. Short hair is where comfort meets fashion. Sharp style creates strong impressions. A short haircut adds charm and attitude. Fresh cuts create fresh confidence. Short hairstyles show elegance in a simple form. From Pixie to Bob, short style never go out of fashion. Short hair brings a clean and classy appearance. Confidence begins with the right haircut. A stylish short haircut always stands out. So my dear friends, we will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new video, new trendy videos, new ideas videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.